Boom! Happy Halloween, everyone. Today I'm going to be making a drink for you. As you can tell, I'm dressed as a Joker. And you know what the Joker's favorite and most famous line is? Beyond evil, there's insanity. And beyond insanity, there's the Joker. So the drink I'm making today for you, I'm calling it the Joker's Poison. It's a very simple drink. Kids can have it and adults. If you want to have this drink, just add some vodka, tequila, your favorite white liquor goes best with this. So simple ingredients, I have some berries and ice in my glass. These are blackberries. You can use raspberries, any kind you want. Throw some ginger ale in there. And if you want, you can throw tonic, Sprite. So there's a very flexible drink. So today I have ginger ale. I like the flavor of ginger ale. I'm using that. So gently. And then finally on top, I'm going to add some of the same blackberry I've had. I've made some juice out of that to look like blood. See that nice rich red color? We'll make it look like it's a nice Halloweeny drink. So we just pour that on top. Perfect. And a drink is never spooky enough until you have a couple of bloody eyeballs. Look at my eyeballs over there. Perfect. So we're going to throw the eyeballs on top. One maybe there. And they're gooey eyeballs too. And how about one right there? So you have two eyeballs popping out at you in your drink. And that's it. So that's my Halloween drink, the Joker's Poison. And you adults, add some vodka to it, add some tequila to it. Halloween is not just for kids, it can be for adults too. Have fun, enjoy, and I'll see you next time.